Air and Allied Technologies, a South African company dedicated in the discipline of air filtration plant, is a major supplier of air pollution control equipment to the full spectrum of industry, including all blue-chip companies in the mining and industrial sector. With modern computerized research facilities, A&AT have become international leaders in technological breakthroughs, both in wet and dry air filtration and dust control, with emphasis on optimum design and rigorous quality assurance. In 2001, A&AT brought to market the state-of-the-art world-patented Liquicell inline scrubbing system, which is now used highly successfully by top international companies, completely revolutionizing the wet scrubbing industry. How much better can it get? Now, A&AT have done it again with cutting-edge technology in dry air filtration. Imagine a dust collector which operates at maximum efficiency, well within the new statutory requirements, with no tubular filters, no envelope filters, no cartridges, panel or HEPA filters, no pulse valves or scrubber pumps, no compressed air, no scrubber pads, eliminator pads, demister pads or chevron eliminators. In fact, C-Tech has absolutely no internal moving parts whatsoever. C-Tech, a fully electronic dust control system that not only removes dust and fume, but smoke, odor, and even bacteria and viruses, with no degradation through high temperatures, no degradation with wet or sticky dusts, and no problem with dew points. You are imagining the future, and the future is now. 99.995% of the volume of a polluted duct system is in fact clean air. Baghouses, scrubbers, cartridge systems, cyclones, dry scrubbers, all mechanical air cleaning devices that exert energy on all the clean air and pollutants that pass through it. But C-Tech is not a mechanical system. It is a fully electronic device that has enhanced the awesome power of nature's gift of static electricity. Unlike mechanical equipment, C-Tech is a fully electronic system that works on the suspended solids only, making it far more efficient than mechanical filters. In fact, there is nothing to the C-Tech system, literally. C-Tech is a matrix of vertical hollow square tubes through which polluted air enters at the bottom and only clean air leaves at the top, because of the electronic spike pulse corona that is created in the empty tubes. Let's put C-Tech through its paces. Please note, no trick photography whatsoever has been used to show the awesome power of C-Tech. This test rig is at A&AT's Research and Development Facility. This is a twin-module R25 round tube test system. It is used in the development of online dedusting. These units will not be used in this demonstration. The S-Series, on the other hand, is fully automatic, with full-function state-of-the-art electronic control developed by the GNL section of C-Tech. This is the S63 test unit consisting of only 6 tubes, compared to the commercial units with 100+ tubes. An ultrafine plasma dust with a mean particle size of 3 microns is being used as the main test product because of its tendency to present itself as dust as well as smoke. We apologize to environmentalists for the emissions, which are necessary to show the power of C-Tech. The corona is activated and the fan switched on. Heavy dust loads are described in the industry as 50 kilograms per hour per cubic meter of air. The S6 is handling the equivalent of 5 tons per hour. Yet absolutely no emission is detectable. Our R&D manager now floods the system with dust, again with no visible emissions. The operator switches off the electronics, showing what the CTEC is actually removing from the incoming air on a continuous basis, realizing that this system is 1/6 the capacity of the smallest commercial CTEC unit. To further demonstrate the power of CTEC, our operator now loads heavier dusts, feldspar and cement into the system, again without emission. Removing the collected dust from the system is fully automatic with commercial CTEC equipment. For demonstration purposes, our operator removes the normal collection drum as well as a side panel on the hopper to help with the dust rush when activating the wrapper. A major advantage of CTEC is its ultra-low pressure drop. In fact, it does not even register on the S6, as the unit is no more than a 3-meter section of ducting operating at 2.5 meters per second. This major advantage is common to all CTEC systems, drastically reducing running costs. The heart of the system is the Electrostatic controller that has been developed by the GNL section of CTEC. GNL are specialists in high-voltage DC and pulsed power supply systems, with many years of experience in the fields of high-power pulsed lasers and pulsed X-ray systems. At present, our high-voltage pulsed power products are used in subsystems on 5 continents to clients such as NASA, Lockheed Martin, the Chinese Air Force, and British Aerospace, to name a few. Scientific papers by our designers have been internationally published many times. It is with this pedigree that the CTEC Pulse Corona system has been developed. This allows the far more efficient square tube technology to be used with a unique spike pulse wave, allowing complete corona coverage of the tube, with a spike initiation of the pulse lasting 50 millionths of a second at the start of the pulse sine wave. These two factors, the square tube and spike pulse technology, are the basis of the ultimate dust control system. The plug-in, plug-out Electrostatic controller takes full control of every aspect of the CTEC operation, requiring only a simple switch-on, switch-off input from the operator. Full safety modes are built in with direct contact available to an outside PLC or SCADA system, or to an email link to our control center for remote setting and problem detection if necessary. The S100 is the basic commercial module that handles 10,000 cubic meters of air per hour. The unit is being force-fed with dust. The Electrostatic controller is being manually overridden to create an emission for demonstration purposes. The operator, again to demonstrate the power of CTEC, purposefully removes the collection drum, just in time before a cleaning cycle is automatically instigated by the Electrostatic controller. This is the power of C-Tech. Our world today is electronically based, from cell phones to laser beams, the internet to spaceflight, medical to travel. One of the only exceptions being the air pollution control industry and the cleaning of the very air on which we survive. With the ability to work across a wide spectrum of dusts and far greater dust loads and not affected by temperature or moisture, C-Tech is more efficient than mechanical filters, with far less pressure drop, no degradation when dirty, uses no mechanical internal moving parts, has a major advantage of minimal maintenance replacement costs, minimal downtime and extended life. In technical partnership with Eskom Enterprises, Air and Allied Technologies have taken the air pollution industry into the electronic age. C-Tech, wholly owned and patented South African technology, and proud of it. C-Tech, Corona Emission Technology.